5 of my online classes vlog. It's September 7 and today I'm not gonna be doing that much schoolworks. Yung mga due lang today and probably update my to-do list because today's my mom's birthday, so happy birthday mom. And I wanted to spend time with her and I don't wanna like occupy the whole day and just doing schoolworks because later we have a family dinner and ang 5 p.m. So I'm just gonna try to keep things short as possible with all the academic stuff, and then tomorrow and other days saka na tayo magtatapos sa mga kailangan gawin. So actually, Shobha is with me. Shobha is in my room. Kaylee, say hi to the vlog. Say hi everybody. Say hi. She's busy drinking milk. But anyways, I'm gonna start na. And also I want to share with you guys the new addition to my room. I have this arch mirror. So happy with that. Anyways, I'll start doing na because here's my desk ready na. I'm already on canvas. And here's my to-do list. I actually started writing na. So far, I have fine arts, math, fitness training, sobrang dami guys, and then contemporary world. Pero ang gagawin ko lang today is this one, yung fine arts, and then yung, what else? Siguro I'm gonna review for math. Tapos yung isang fitness training na due tomorrow. So yun lang yung gagawin ko. And let's start! So for fine arts, our teacher gave us a list. Ito siya. So we have to compile pictures from our photos. So I compiled some from travel pics, concerts, and stuff like that. Then I'm supposed to compile it in a PDF form sa Word. So lalagyan ko lang ng short description kung anong photo yun. Good morning guys! Today is September 8th. It's a Tuesday. And I just woke up. It's currently 7:13 in the morning. So alam nyo na, if I wake up early, I have a math test. So, I just have to wait a few more minutes till mag 7:30 kasi 7:30 to 9 AM mo lang siya pwede gawin. So, yun. Kaya ako nagising na maaga. I actually alarmed 6:50. Tapos sabi ko, I'm just gonna wake up like exactly 7:30. Kaso lang, di na ako makatulog. So, you know, I just decided to start na the vlog. Yesterday, di na ako nag-vlog that much because it was my mom's birthday nga and I only did fine arts. So, yeah, basically this week, I don't know what we have to do. We have midterms for fitness trainings. That's kind of weird kasi ang alam ko midterms last week, but I only had creed for midterms. Tapos this week, fitness training naman. So, I don't know. I feel like this week is gonna be pretty chill. Like, mostly fitness training lang yung kailangan kong gawin this week. But I also have other subjects. I don't know. Let's just see how this week goes. Anyways, I'm just gonna wait for a few minutes. Probably just use my phone, set up my laptop and canvas para ready to go. And all the stuff I need, like my bond paper and stuff. And yeah, I'll just talk to you guys again after I take my math quiz. Update you guys, so it's 8:08 and I'm done with my math test. As usual, I just scan my bond paper and then send it as a PDF file sa Canvas. And I was actually supposed to do my fitness test for fitness training kasi nakalagay 1:30 PM pa siya available. So later 1:30 PM din kasi I think we have a Google Meet for the briefing of our midterms for fitness training. So baka na-discuss pa ni coach bago namin pwede gawin. So basically, wala pa akong magawa for fitness training, pero yun yung nag-occupy ng to-do list ko sa 5 things we have to accomplish this week. But you know, it's okay. Medyo, ano nga talaga yung fitness training. Parang always madami kailangan gawin, but yeah. And I also have contemporary world and creed, so I'm gonna probably start with one of those. Titingnan ko muna kung ano mas madalahin yung gagawin ko. Kasi I don't know, it's too early for my brain to function, but I'm gonna make it function. Kasi nagpuluto ako ng breakfast, so di na ako matutulog. Baka mag-nap na lang ako ng afternoon if inaantok ako. But yeah, for now, let's start doing schoolworks. Guys, it's now 1:26 in the afternoon. I just got out of the shower. So kanina, natapos ko na yung creed ko. Yun palang yung nagagawa ko kanina. Tapos I took a nap. And right now, I'm just quickly gonna be doing my skincare and then siguro concealer and lip tint lang because I have a briefing for fitness training for our midterm. So we have a Google Meet link, ganyan. So yeah, this is my moisturizer, and I'm also applying sunscreen because it's important to use sunscreen kahit nasa bahay lang because, you know, skincare is important. And then concealer, I'm gonna be using this from L'Oreal. Konti lang, guys. I'm gonna make it set first kasi medyo basa pa. So I can see some of my classmates joining now. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna quickly do this. Update pala on my eyelash lift. Okay pa rin siya, guys. I'm actually not using any mascara but it still looks good. Medyo bumababa naman siya pero it's still okay. Mga 2 weeks rin siya nag-last. And what I'm doing lang right now since okay pa yung lashes ko is I'm using castor oil. So yeah, if you guys are wondering, recently kasi I tried this DIY lash lift kit from Shopee. I'll just leave the link down below para you guys can check that out kasi super duper sulit. So, nagmamadali na ako magsalita because it's 2 minutes and medyo madami na yung naka-join sa Google Meet namin. Like, guys, look. 9+ na. So, I'm gonna join na muna. And yeah, just do a montage because I know our teacher for fitness training is medyo strict, so I don't want to talk and stuff. But yeah. Done now with the fitness training briefing for midterms. So right now I'm just gonna be heading down because I have to do some orders for art. So I'm so sorry if this vlog is like all over the place again, but you know, I'm gonna try to vlog as much as I can tomorrow. Gusto lang matapos talaga lahat ng orders na today para I don't have to worry about them, para ma-ship ko na rin sila and stuff like that. So basically that is it for today. I'll just talk to you guys again tomorrow. Super sorry. It's just really, I'm trying to balance, you know, my side business, YouTube, vlogging, and ACAD. So yeah, I hope you guys understand, but I'll just talk to you guys again tomorrow. Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to another vlog of my online classes. It's week 6 if I'm not mistaken, and yes, I didn't vlog that much last week, so I decided to just, you know, continue last week's vlog. But today is a Monday and it is 7:30 a.m. It's September 14th. So you guys know the drill, why I'm up early. I have a math quiz today. So sakto 7:30 na, and yes, I just woke up super nag-wash ako ng face. So I'm about to turn on my laptop right now, check the quiz, answer the quiz, and just get back to you guys afterwards. So let's start the day, let's start the week. Hopefully this week will be very productive. Actually last week, productive naman. I even did stuff na due this week para, you know, mas advanced na ako. Kaso lang medyo, I don't know, like I didn't feel like vlogging, so I'm so sorry about that. I feel bad kasi wala nga akong na-upload last week, but you know, I'll try to just vlog siguro until tomorrow or until Wednesday lang para ma-upload ko kagad itong video na to for you guys. But yeah, I hope you guys understand. It's like I haven't missed any upload for the past few months, just last week lang. I'm so sorry about that. I just wanted to like do schoolwork so I can just really focus. So I hope you guys understand. But anyways, I'm gonna stop talking and let's start with my math quiz. It's now 8:04 and I just airdropped the scan photo of my quiz. Tapos, I already made it into PDF file. So now I'm just about to submit. There. I'm just looking for the PDF. My gosh, ang dami kong files. Hold on. PDF. Where's the PDF? This one ata. Yeah. So this is my math quiz. Skinan ko lang siya and there. I'm about to submit it na. Submit assignment. Let's go. Bagal ng wifi. Come on. Update you guys, it's currently 8:38 in the morning and I just got out of the shower kasi since I have a fine arts class ng 9 o'clock, naisipan ko na maligo na para, you know, freshen up. So, I also have my breakfast, the usual hash brown, bacon, and rice. So, usually ako kasi, I'm mapili sa food. So, if I like a particular food, always ko na siya kinakain. So, yeah, always ako bacon, hash brown, or like hot dog, hash brown, corned beef, hash brown, mga ganun for breakfast. And rare lang kasi ako mag-breakfast. So, yun nga. Every time I eat breakfast, same lang din yung kinakain ko. Then, I also have some banana milk from Cowhead. And then, just my water. So, since I have a few minutes before my class starts, I'm gonna eat first and then just put a little bit of makeup. Siguro as in concealer lang and lip and cheek tint. So, yeah. It is now 9:11 and dapat 9 magsa-start yung class kaso nag-email si ma'am na she'll be like 10 to 15 minutes late, so I'll just join ng 9:15. So, I've just been using my phone and probably I'll just film a montage of our class and then just update you guys afterwards because later I want to do my to-do list and I'll also show you guys yung mga works na nagawa ko last week na hindi ko vlog so you guys can see the process. Or I mean not process, like the output. And then I think I'm gonna check yun nga, yung to-do list ko kung ano mga kailangan ko gawin this week. So yeah. So it's now 9:17 and I'm about to join na. So let's go.
Obviously, right? Because a painting is really not seen as architecture. And that's because it's made out of different materials.
So I'm done with fine arts class and when I joined kanina, nagdi-discuss si ma'am so di ko nakita lahat ng notes, I mean lahat ng slides, so I didn't write notes for today's discussion but while she was discussing, I was writing last week's notes. I just asked my classmates, so ito yung nasulat ko so far. Tapos, sakto now naman, my block rep sent her notes from today, so ito yung pictures niya guys, wait. Super bait, she sent us notes. So, I'm gonna write this na. I'll just write the important ones kasi medyo madami pala. And then afterwards, I'm gonna proceed on to doing my to-do list. So, last week, diba, I wasn't able to vlog that much. But I was actually productive. I did stuff na that's due this week. So, ito yung to-do list ko for this week. But this is not updated. This was based last week. So, basically, I have Creed, dalawang module. I have Module 7 and Module 8. Both of them are essays. And nagawa ko na yung Module 7. It's about Jesus Christ, the stages of His life. So, ito yung essay na nagawa ko. Tapos, for Contemporary World, may meme on responsible governance. Di ko pa yung nagagawa. So, baka later or tomorrow. And then, for NSTP, I have an infographic for environmental awareness. And ito nagawa ko siya. Ito siya, guys. It's about air pollution. And then, lastly naman dito is math quiz. So, yun, nagawa ko na siya kanina. So, alam ko nag-post yun ata yung fitness training. So, I'll have to update this later. So, anyways, I'm gonna start doing notes and then do my to-do list. Then, I'll just get back to you guys afterwards. So, I am done updating my notes for fine arts. So, this is how the second page looks like. I have architecture, statuary, sculpture, painting, and other details. And ito yung kanina. So, yan. Okay, so right now I'm doing my contemporary world and I'm supposed to create a meme about the government regardless of what type of government, just basically showing na how they work for the people or how that person works for the people. So the government that I chose is dictatorship because I feel like it's the most easiest na gawa ng meme. So maghahanap na ako ng picture na parang mayroon isa na nagbo-boss around to everyone so that yung isang person na yun represents yung dictator, tapos yung madaming people yung, you know, the nation. I just have to look for the website that creates memes kasi dati gumawa na rin ako for NSTP ata. If you guys have seen my past online classes vlog, you guys could probably remember that, yung Drake na meme. So, hanapin ko lang yung site para magawa ko siya ulit. And I'm also gonna look for a meme, tapos re-remove ko na lang yung text para mapalitan ko into the government meme. So, yeah, let's start! Okay, so here is my meme. If you guys need to create memes as well for classes, I recommend using this. It's called capping.com. So ito yung ginagamit ko. This is my second time to use it na, and it's super easy. So I just got this picture from Google. So it represents, you know, ito yung dictator, ito yung nation kunwari. And I just said, all of you must do what I say. So I feel like that best represents dictatorship since isa lang yung leader. And medyo walang choice yung ibang tao just to, you know, follow him. So yeah, that is my meme. I'm just gonna be exporting the image and then I will be submitting it here sa Canvas. Hey guys, so it's now 12:57. I'm done with my creed and this is my essay. So it's just a one-page essay. So I'm just gonna save it and then submit it again through Canvas inbox. Okay guys, it's now 3:12 in the afternoon. I look haggard na, but I am done with my concept map. It's not like your typical concept map, but I don't know, I feel like it looks okay naman. I just kind of winged it. You know, I didn't really watch the whole video na kasi 1 hour siya guys, and as in like 1/4 pa lang ako ng video, nadidrain na ako. So I took some notes. Ito yung notes na nakuha ko. Konti lang siya, but I tried to research topics and pictures and other concept maps as well. Tapos I came up with my own. So yeah, and it looks like that. I'm not that artistic, but I tried para baka naman extra points sa creativity. But yeah, I'm gonna take a picture of this and then send it na through Canvas. So this is due next week pa, so at least meron akong isang work na nabawasan for next week. Hey guys, I look haggard now because I had early dinner. So anyways, I'm just here to end the vlog. Basically, this is this week and last week's online classes vlog muna. So sorry if week 5 and 6 isn't like the normal online classes vlog that I usually put out for you guys, but I've just been trying to, you know, do some other stuff like with art, and then I also want to film like sit-down videos or like not vlog style videos for you guys kasi parang napansin ko the past few weeks for online classes lang yung content ko. So if you guys have any video suggestions, leave it in the comments down below. Follow me on my social media sites. Instagram is lexy.rodriguez with 2 Z's because yun nga yung hacked account ko, di ko pa rin siya makuha. So yeah, just follow me there, and my Twitter, it's Lexy Rodriguez with 2 Z's, and of course subscribe to my YouTube channel. Anyways, that is it. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye!